Today, Governor Holcomb said that Indiana is on fire, referring to the number of counties now in the red zone. Because of that, he says some changes have to be made. So starting this weekend, all social gatherings in the state will be capped at 25 people in red counties and 50 in orange counties. After-hours events can continue at schools, but with a limited audience. For counties in the red, only parents or guardians and their young children can attend. For other counties, the audience will be limited to 25%. For college and professional sports, attendance will be limited to 25%. Hospitals are now required to postpone non-emergency procedures for a 3-week period beginning December 16th. And some good news tonight, the Pfizer vaccine is expected to be approved on Thursday. Governor Holcomb says Indiana will get 55,000 doses. Deaconess Hospital will get some of those first doses. Frontline healthcare workers will get those doses first, but since every person needs 2 shots, that's not enough to cover all healthcare workers in the state.
With Pfizer, you know, you're getting, it's like you ordered a pair of shoes and you're getting the left shoe and you got to wait till the second dose or the second shoe a month later for this to be effective. And so when you mentioned 55,000, that's 55,000 for half of what you need.
Now, the governor did say the state should be getting more doses every week, and once they do, they will immediately be sent out all across the state.